Winters in Houston are not that cold. However, having said that, riding an S1000R without a windscreen in 55-degree weather can get pretty chilly. I had the bike out last night, and after about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, it started to become evident that my Olympia jacket with the liner inside wasn't good enough. So I'd probably have to wear my heated liner on when riding this bike during the winter. So what I went out to do today, I went out and I got this. This here is the Hotwired battery connector harness, because I've got a Hotwired from Cycle Gear, Hotwired jacket liner that's you plug into the bike, to the pigtail. I've got it already installed on the RS, and now I've got this one here. It's only $10 to install on this bike. So that's what today's video is all about. To install the pigtail, we've got to get to the battery. The battery's underneath the seat, and to get to the battery, we've got to undo the screws here, at the two screws at the back of the seat. To do that, you got to peel back the cushion a bit, put this in, put your screwdriver in there, and back it off. Not the ideal situation as far as I'm concerned, but that's how it is on the S1000. So there you've got it. The battery is there, and there's the positive terminal and the negative terminal. We undo the negative terminal first, and then we undo the positive terminal, and we hook up the harness. Says here on the harness, caution for installation, connect the positive or red terminal first. And I could have told you that. This here is a 15 amp automotive fuse, so comes with a 15 amp fuse in line. Pretty good looking piece of kit. So what I'm going to do now is install this, and then I'm going to find a way to route this at the side of the bike so that it's kind of out of the way. So first we install the red positive terminal. Make sure we got all the lugs back in again, and make sure we don't cross thread this. You don't want to cross thread it. Alright, started by hand, and then you can use the electric screwdriver to tighten up. So that's the positive back on. So here we go. We've got all these lugs on as well, and that's tight. Just to double check again, because I don't know what the torque is on that ratchet. I'll just use my finger tight technique, and that's it. Now I've just got to pass this through the frame. I think I'm going to pass this through the frame down there, and then bring it out to the side here maybe, and then strap it to the body work. Okay, I think I can pass it down through here and bring it out through the side onto this fairing here. And I don't know if you can see this, but that's where it's at. It's coming out from underneath this fairing here. So I'm gonna just neaten this up now. What I'm going to do is shorten the cable above here. It comes with a twist tie, a zip tie. Not a zip tie, a twist tie. I'm going to use that back again and just capture the excess wire up here. Actually, I can tuck it underneath here, so yes, it won't be getting in the way of the seat. So that's actually quite neat. And I've got some extra here. See, all of this can more than reach to my jacket, you know, when I have the connector right there. So I've got a little pigtail here to plug in my charger, my battery charger, and this is pretty much in the same area. So and that keeps, you know, everything tidy. So what I can do is kind of like zip tie those together and stick it up underneath here when not in use. So let's try to see how we can make that happen. I think that's pretty much it. I'm just rambling on now, but I just wanted to show how this thing is installed, and it's a very easy installation. Just connecting it to the battery and then running the wire wherever you want, wherever you find you're going to need the outlet to be. Right here. This one comes with a nice little plug. So you see, it keeps the dust out. There. And good piece of kit. So I'm going to finish up this installation, just zip tie it in position, and that's it.